How to make a new user with same phone on Temu app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can make a new user with same phone on Temu app. For that, launch open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the U button at the bottom of your screen. Here, you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up your settings. Now you have the option of switch accounts. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on add account option. Here you will be able to create a new account. You can use Google account, Facebook account, or you can continue with email or continue with phone number. If you want to use your phone number to register a new account, enter your phone number over here and tap on the continue option. Enter the OTP code and you will be able to create a new account from here. You can also use your email address. All you have to do is enter your email address over here, then tap on the continue option and follow the on-screen prompts. You can also use your Facebook account. If you want to use your Google account, tap on the Google option. Now enter the credentials of your Google account. Once you do that, as you can see, you have successfully created a new account over here. Now, if you tap on the gear icon again and tap on switched accounts, as you can see, two users are available over here. Now, you can switch those accounts anytime you want. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.